All right, so Allie, what did you get?
I got a gift from Cookies World C.
You got a gift from Cookies World C. Okay, well, what do you want to say to her first?
Thank you.
All right, go ahead and open it. Let's see. Oh, she made it tricky.
How dare you? That's fine, I can do that even if it's tricky.
Well, don't tear it up. Don't tear up her address, the address that she gave for you, okay?
I'm trying not to.
Okay.
Even if I did on accident.
All right, well, here, you know what? Let me go get a pair of scissors. That might make it a little bit easier. Hold on.
I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay. Just be super, super careful, okay?
Got on my hair.
You got on your hair?
Get off.
Allie, be pleasant. I know you're super excited, huh?
It's going everywhere. Oh my god.
Alright, I'll take that. Awesome.
It's all pink.
It's pretty, though. I like it.
It's like brownish pink.
Yeah, but it's super cool, huh?
Yeah. My first package.
Your first package.
Yes.
Wonder what it could be. Untuck. Oh, look at there. Bubble wrap.
I love bubble wrap.
You're so silly.
Yay.
Oh. What is that? Oh, wow. That is awesome. I'm excited.
You just sound
Sorry.
You sound like Cookies Rosie now.
I'm sorry.
I think I have a sticker of a cookie.
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Ready?
Be careful. You gotta be very careful. Here we go. See, undo the tape. There we go. That is a note from Cookie. Look at that.
Cookie. I love cookies.
I know you do.
Oh my god. What is it?
Oh my goodness. What does that say?
It says,
Let me see.
Elizabeth Hero Cookie said, Cookies Rusty. Go to hurry. Cookies.
Oh, wow. That is so cool. Be very careful. Here we go.
Oh, cool.
Oh, careful. There we go.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Check it out, guys.
Yay. I'm keeping that.
Of course we're going to keep that, silly. Now let's see. Let's see what you got. Wow. Okay, now what do you want to say to Cookie Swirl?
Thank you. Can I open it now?
You're silly. All right, so what do you want to say to Cookie Swirl? I know you said thank you, but is there anything else you want to say?
I love Shopkins.
And?
Thank you again.
And who else do you love?
Cookie Frisbee. That cookie. I love that cookie.
You love Cookie.